Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to adjust the model parameters. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool. Kitchen and bath or closet. Then select the model. The parameter panel on the right will be activated. Click the Edit icon at the top to change the name. The parameter panel is displayed in groups and can be expanded and collapsed with one click. When you click the Expand icon, it will expand to a dual panel, so all the parameters are clearer to see. If you want to keep the dual panel all the time, you can, in the Advanced Parameters panel, click on the Panel Permanent. If you don't need it, just click the Close button in the top right to close. The Parameter panel has a search function. You can search for parameter name or value to filter out the corresponding parameter column, making parameter adjustment more efficient. The font of the parameter column will be bolded if the parameters have been manually modified, which is convenient for users to review the model and the solution. You can also click the upper right corner to reset to clear the bold style. That's all. Thanks for watching.